Ladies and gents, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I gotta tell you, I've been having an absolute blast with my three-wheeler. I love this little thing. It needs some attention though. It only runs the choke on, so we're gonna have to do a carb clean. Hasn't stopped me from riding it the last 2 days. But I have the stuff, so yeah, let's take it apart and clean the carb and see if it fixes it. While we're at it, I think that it's probably a good idea to take this board off here. When I'm doing wheelies, it's really uncomfortable, so yeah, we're gonna take that goofy thing off. Got into her a little bit farther, and had to take the tank off to get at that little nut there. But yeah, the carburetor, even from out here, looks kind of dirty. So we'll give that a clean. But the rest of the machine, for being an 82 and all, man, it's in pretty good shape. So this is a simple little carb on here, but we'll give it a clean. And I have this rebuild kit, and I actually got this from the guy that I bought the three-wheeler off of, so that's a freebie. All right. So this is your slow speed jet, and then the big jet. This is normally the one that's clogged. So I like to lay everything out in nice orderly, piles here. This is the old stuff. This is what the new kit came with. I still need to pull the petcock off here. Hopefully the O-rings will fit that. But when you go to pull other stuff out, like these jets, you want to count, you want to turn them in and count the turns and write it down, because you'll forget. So there's not too much to the petcock here, just this O-ring, and then this is a tiny little screen, but they didn't give us a new one in the kit, so we're not going to mess with that too much. She is just purring like a little kitten. I put some new fuel lines on it. Looks like everything's nice and tight, no leaks, and it's running with the choke off. Awesome! So yeah, pretty straightforward, simple carb clean. She's running awesome. I'm going to put it back together, go do some wheelies. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.